Hello, my friends. It is time. It is one of my favorite times of the month because, hello, we're getting happy mail. Yay! Now, I always say this, and I'm going to say it again for every video I ever do. I design these products and I order them about 8 months in advance. So I don't know. They'll come in bits and pieces from different factories and different things like that. And I don't get to see everything put together until my team puts a box together for me and then I get to see it. And it's just like finally everything is coming together. It's like building a big puzzle on your living room table and just having one piece at a time and then not being able to see the whole puzzle. And then all of a sudden when you put the last piece in there, you get to see the whole puzzle and it's like, well, that's how I feel. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Here we go. First, we need to, I love this. I love this. I love this. First, we're going to look at the cardstock. Now, of course, you get handy dandy envelopes because we always need extra envelopes. Am I right? I'm always on the hunt for more envelopes. I can never have enough envelopes. Now, and you get the handy dandy storage envelope, which is fantastic, nice and sturdy. Move it over there. Now, let's look at our color palette. We have banana, we have lemonade, we have tangerine, midnight, sea glass, chocolate, ginger snap, kiwi, and some powdered sugar. How fun is that? It's like a fall kind of theme. Almost, not quite, not 100% fall, but pretty close to fall. Now, let's see what else we have in our goodie box. Let's look at the pattern paper next. What? Oh, I see some little foxies. Those of you in our Die Hard Club or Stamp Club, look at this. Look at our cute little fox. And then we have Love Life. Now the Love Life, yes, the die is included. Look at how large the die is, which is fantastic because sometimes you just want something a little larger. Love Life. Yay. Exciting. And then let's see what else we have. Oh, I love this one. For some reason, this reminds me of Little House on the Prairie. I don't know where that comes from, but it does. I just love it. I love that show. Oh, it was so sweet and innocent. Okay, and then we have plaid, and then we have acorns. Oh, there's our little fox. Some triangles. Oh, another Little House on the Prairie, but different because this one's white, not brown. Oh, mini fox. Mini fox. Mini little Love Life, and then a yellow, and then we start all over again because you get 2 sheets of each one. Yay. Now, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have some ribbons. Let's see what we have. We have a chocolate stripe and a midnight seam binding. I love seam binding. It's my favorite. It's so smooth. We also have some twine because we need green twine. Look at that. This is one thing that I really need to point out on our kit clubs. Everything goes together. This twine matches this cardstock. We've done all the matchy match for you, so you just get to create and not worry about it. Look, oh, some cute little wood epoxy dots, which are fun. Oh, speaking of epoxy dots, matte epoxy dots. Oh, I love matte epoxy dots. They're fun. Oh, let's look at the stamp set. Well, let's look at this first. Cute little gingham bows that are already tied for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And a stamp set. Let's see what we have. Some things get better with age, and you are definitely one of them. Hello there. Many thanks. Here's to celebrating everything about you, and we're behind you all the way. I like it. I like it. Let's make a card. Yes, it's time. Oh, let's look at the samples first. Here is a cute little bookmark. Here's to celebrating everything about you with the little clip on there. So adorable. Oh, look at our cute little fox. I love that. Every time I see that paper now, I'm going to think of Little House on the Prairie just because I said that. Oh, okay. Look at how large that die is. Isn't that fantastic? Love Life. Beautiful. Oh, look at our cute little house. It's a little house. Many thanks. And here's that one. Some things get better with age, and you are definitely one of them. Look at those border edge dies. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Now I get to play. Yes! That's half the fun here, right? Well, I grabbed this die set, and oh, it doesn't look like anything. Can you tell? I have the prototype dies. I am going to use the Flower Drop-In Flip It card. So I'm going to grab all of those, and I'm thinking I want to do a brown card. Go figure, right? Not my usual, but that's good. That's one of the nice things about the kit club. Sometimes they'll take you, like, this is not my normal color palette because my normal color palette always comes pink. But it's nice to broaden your horizons and expand. It takes you out of your box. You know, it expands you out of your box and you're not just stuck in a rut, because it allows you to be more creative, because it gives you products that you wouldn't normally create with maybe. But when you start creating with it, you realize, oh, there is like a whole nother world out there with browns and oranges and yellows, you know, whereas Stephanie just likes the pink. So it's good for me. It's good for everyone just to expand your horizons and get you out of the rut. So here we have our die, and it has no guts. What? Well, we need to add the guts, which is the flower. Now, I could drop in a cupcake, or I could drop in a present, but I'm going to drop in flour. Now, I'm going to lay this down, and I'm going to say top here and top there, so I know that's the right way, but I'm also going to grab some washi tape. Now, even though I am using my magnetic platform, I am going to add some washi tape because I don't want this die to move. It's very important that it doesn't move. I don't have to tape it to the paper, but I need to tape the dies together. So I'm going to tape the dies together just like that. They snap in perfect. And then I'm going to run this through the machine. Now the nice thing about my dies is they cut and score for you at the same time. So we don't have to take it to a scoring tool or anything like that. So we're going to run this through. And I'm kind of liking my washi over here. Can you see my washi's hanging out over here? I'm kind of liking that. I might have to keep that there. So I'm just going to leave these taped together for now and put them back in the envelope. Chances are I might want to make a flower again soon, and it'll already be taped together. So I have my card base scored and cut. I'm going to put that off to the side. And let's get some paper. And of course, you know I'm going straight for this one paper that is the, where is it? Where is it? Should I do the brown? Oh, I'm going to do the brown. Going out of my comfort zone. I like it. Isn't that pretty? And we are going to add the layering pieces. So now when we grab the layering pieces, and you can tell I used this one last also because some of them are layered, already taped together. So I'm just going to get to lay that one down, so I don't even have to bother with that one. This one fell apart a little, which is fine. I'm just going to lay this one down. And I'm going to peel up my washi so I can actually see exactly where this is lining up. And I'm going to line this up so the B lines up with the B, just like that. And see how it just snaps just like that? And I'm going to tape those together so I don't have any movement. And I'm going to run that through the machine. Now, it's okay if it moves on the paper because I'm not trying to line up the design. I just need the dies to stay together. So I don't have any speed bumps because they're all at a nice angle. Lay that down and run that through. There we go. This is exciting. I love this die set. Okay, we're going to lift this up. And again, I'm just going to leave those together for now because I might be doing that die set next. I mean, that flower again. And I have 2 layering pieces. Now, I also want to cut out some flowers for this, so let's look at the flowers. And I'm thinking I want to do yellow and ooh, let's do white. I don't use white often enough. Let's do white. So let's add some adhesive to the, let's do white on the back, so yellow. So let's add some adhesive sheet to the yellow. And we're going to grab some of the Stamps of Life adhesive. I'm going to lay this down right there. Now, I want to make sure that I die cut on the right side. So I'm going to trim this down. So I'm going to lay that down, and I'm going to trim. And I'm going to turn this, and I'm going to trim. Now I know this is a sticker everywhere I die cut, so I don't have to worry about it die cutting in the wrong spot. And we're going to grab that very, very intricate die. And we're going to grab the white. Look at how I don't have to cut. I'm using the plus machine. I don't have to cut down my paper. It goes perfectly in there. I don't have to worry about trimming it or doing anything because a whole sheet of paper will fit in this machine. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to run this through. Now that first die is very, very intricate. Extremely. And you don't even believe me until you see it. So once you see it cut out, you'll know how intricate it is. So I just ran it back through. And I have a feeling I'm going to need another flower. So I am going to, before we take that up, because you'll see that, I want to add, ooh, let's do light blue, because that light blue is in that paper. So I'm going to grab this, and we're just going to cut another one for the inside. Oh, and you know what? Let's get a little tricky. Let's even do one more, because there's the word hello with this. So let's grab that, and we'll do the shadow in that, and then the yellow. We're just going to leave that die on there and run it through again. I'm going to use the word hello. So now that flower is getting an extra cut, which it does not need, but whatever. I'm too lazy to take it out. Okay, here we go. Here is all the yummies. It's all over here. get this out of the way. Now we have all these pieces. Let's put our card together. You can see my table's rusting because I keep putting my drink on it. So now I have my drink over here. Yeah, I kept putting it on my table. Not a good idea. And let's see. Let's put our layers on first. Let's get some adhesive. And we're going to line that up. Look how it lines up perfect with brown all the way around. Hello, look at that. Check it out. Add some adhesive over here. And we're going to line that up right there. And then we're going to fold it. We're going to hold it in the air. Big bottom, little top. Fold it in half towards you on the score lines the die already created. Take the top flap and fold that up and then turn it to the left. The little side's always on the left. There is my flip it. Now, let's decorate this. And first we're going to add, what color? Oh, I want to do white on the outside. So let's add our white flower. I'm just going to add that right here. Then we're going to add our intricate one. Are you ready for this? It is extremely intricate. We're not going to worry about poking out all those pieces, although they might just flick out because I ran it through so many times. And we're going to peel off the backing because remember we added that adhesive on the back. So we're going to peel it off. And it's really adhered to it because, hello, I ran it through 3 times. And come on, baby. And this is very intricate. And it never peels right when you're on camera. I'm just saying. It peels better at home. Oh, wait, there it is. There it is. Ugh. Okay. So now look at how intricate this is. Can you imagine trying to add adhesive to the back of this? That would have never been a good thing. So that, oh, don't stick to me. It's nice and sticky. So we're just going to peel off the backing. Peel off the backing. Oh my goodness, sticky little sucker. Okay, peel off the backing. I always pick the most intricate dies to demonstrate this. It's so funny. Okay, picked off the backing. There we go. Okay, one more. We got it. It's still better than trying to add. Can you imagine trying to add this to the back? Yeah, it wouldn't work. Now I have, look, I told you it was intricate. Yikes. So now we're going to lay this down. Spend an extra second lining this up, okay? It will be worth it for you. So we're going to line this up. Look how pretty. I love that. Now, for the inside, let's add our little blue. But you know what I just realized? Oh, well, we're going to add our hello. Okay, so we'll lay this down. So let's add this. And then let's add our cute little hello. So here we have our hello. And where did my blue? Oh, you got to love when your dies are sticky on the back. They stayed at the cutting pad. So here I have my hello. I think I'm just going to add my little hello right down here at the corner. Yeah. So we're going to add that right there. And then look at this, another intricate die. Which that's why you use this adhesive, because you don't want to have to deal with it. And that's even handy, all peeled off by itself. So we're just going to add the hello. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Spend an extra second on this. Make sure it lines up. Don't go too fast on this part. Look at that. Look at that. Now, let's add some twine. Let's clean our spot up a little here. Let's add some twine. Get that off, throw that away. Let's grab some green. Now, I always have trouble with this, but I kind of see that where it's starting, and yay! Now, we give you a lot of twine, so I'm going to use a lot. I don't think anyone's ever said they used their whole thing of twine. I'm sure some of you have, but it's always fun. Now, let's add this. You know what, though? I'm just looking at this, and I don't have green on here, so I don't think I'm going to add green. I was going to add green, but there's no green involved in here, and that would look really funny. So we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to get one of these because I already have brown involved. So let's get brown, our ginger snap little guy. See, there's no green in here, so we don't want to add green as one item. You know, it just wouldn't look right. So let's get this, and let's add, well, we could add it there, or we could just add, I'm going to add it right here above the hello, because I want to add an epoxy dot there. Can never go wrong with epoxy dots, right? And I think I'm going to add the blue, because I want to tie that blue in, because you don't see too much of the blue. So I'm going to tie in the blue. I'm going to add that right there. And look how cute that is. I love it. So here we go. We're going to open it up, and it says hello, and then I can write my little message, or I could stamp something or anything like that. So much fun. Kit Club members, your kits are on their way to you. If you're not in the Kit Club, don't you want Happy Mail? It's so much fun. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.